Hello guys, welcome to the Design Tech Center YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling you about the extrusion option, the significance of that option and what all the uses of that option. Where you will find the extrusion option is here in the architectural tab. You will be having the component option over here. Click on this to open the various option in the component option. Here you can see place a component and a model in place. You have to click on the model in place. So here the various options will be displayed. You have to select the air terminals option and click OK. Again it will ask, click OK here. OK, here as you can see the extrusion option is over here. The extrusion option is used to create various components or to create the various models by our own ideas. Like you can create the Chhajjas, entry gates, various kinds of openings and all you can create here. Click on this extrusion option. As you click on the extrusion option here, as you can see the boundary lines, the various shapes and all. So first I will be showing how to create the Chhajja into our building using the extrusion option. So here you have to click on set. As you click on the set here, you will be having the various options specify a new work plane. So here as you can see there is three options: name, pick a plane, pick a line and use as work plane. So we have to click on pick a plane here and click OK. As you click on the pick a plane here, so after clicking on pick a plane option, you have to select any particular plane. That is, when you move the cursor on your Revit model, it will show various kinds of planes as you can see. So I am going to work on this plane first of all. As soon as it displays this plane, you have to just click over here and it will be selected. Okay, then later you have to open a proper view of this plane. As you can see, if I move, it is not proper here. So here you will be having a particular tool here to open different kinds of faces here. As I move, this also will be moving here. So I want to open an exact view of this face. So I'll click on right side. So as you can see, our plane is been opened and we can view it properly. So here you will be having various options: line option, rectangular option and all. So I am going to create a Chhajja first. So I will be selecting the rectangular option here. From here, here is what our Chhajja looks like. So as you can see in the properties, the extrusion end is 1 feet. So what it means is the projection is 1 feet. So we need more projection for Chhajja. I will be keeping 2 feet here and enter. So when you click on the finish button here, so our model is finished here. Here again you can view from side. So this is our Chhajja, as you can see. So again I will be opening this. So here you can move your model by using the arrows. I will be moving little bit down, till down. Okay, this is fine. Okay, next model I will be. So next step you have to click on finish model here. So your model is finished. So again you can create one more here. So again go to the architectural tab here. In the component you have to select model in place, and next is air terminals and air terminal 2, it's okay. Okay, here you will be having extrusion option, and next it is set work plane. Okay, I'll be clicking on pick a plane and it's okay. Next again I have to select the plane. This is our plane. As I selected our plane, I'm going to view in this direction. Again, as you can see, the rectangular option here. You can do this rough work as you need not to concentrate more on the dimensions and all in this finishing works in Revit. So it is all secondary. It's okay, and it's 2 feet and I am okay with it. So finish it. So we have been created our Chhajja in this side, and I will click on finish model. Okay, our Chhajja is being created. So again, you can edit your models whenever you want. So if you want to edit the model, click on this, and here as you can see, you can click here and you can move and make it short or big, or you can just move here. It will resize itself. It's very friendly to edit the shape in this extrusion option. So it's okay. Here again you can edit. Yeah, fine. So next I am going to place the Chhajja in this face. So again, as you can see, you can go to extrusion option, click on component model in place. Okay. So here is extrusion option. Pick a plane. You have to set pick a plane, and next you are going to select this plane here, and I am going to open here left side here. This is our face. Okay, again in the rectangular option. So this is fine, and finish it. You can finish the model. So this Chhajja you can copy and place it over this window. So here you will be having the copy option here. In the modify air terminals, you will be having the copy option. Click on this copy, and here it will ask multiple or single. If you click on this, you can place the multiple copies. If you won't click, it will copy only once. So I want only one for now, so I will not click on that. Select from here to I will move here. So this is fine. Change over this window as well. Similarly, you can place Chhajjas over all the windows, and we need not place the Chhajja over this window and this window, as we have the projection here, as you can see. So here one Chhajja I am going to place. finish model. So okay, our Chhajjas has been placed over all the windows. So I hope all of you have understood this. So we will be updating the next videos soon. Thank you.